Hello, everyone. Let me start with a truth that is simple, yet often ignored. The path to success is never easy. Life is full of challenges, obstacles, and moments that test your patience, your strength, and your belief in yourself. But here's the reality. The moments that feel hardest, the tasks that seem impossible, are exactly the ones that will define your future. Think about the people you admire. Every successful entrepreneur, every leader, every innovator, they all faced immense challenges. Abraham Lincoln grew up poor, faced repeated failures in politics, yet became one of the greatest presidents in history. Oprah Winfrey grew up in hardship, faced rejection, and yet became a global icon of inspiration. Walt Disney was told he lacked creativity and was fired, yet he built an empire that changed the world of entertainment forever. These examples show us one thing. Success is not about avoiding difficulty, it's about confronting it, embracing it, and overcoming it. Doing what is difficult is uncomfortable. It requires courage, discipline, and persistence. You will feel fear. You will feel doubt. You will feel exhaustion. You will question whether it's worth it. But here's the truth. The moment you push through, the moment you refuse to give up, you feel relief, triumph, and a sense of strength you never knew you had. That's the power of conquering difficulty. It transforms you. Success is not luck. It is not handed to you on a silver platter. Success is the result of relentless effort, smart choices, and a refusal to quit, even when every part of you wants to stop. It's waking up early when everyone else is sleeping. It's staying late when everyone else has gone home. It's taking the extra step when everyone else is satisfied with the minimum. Success is not measured by what you have, it's measured by who you become in the process. Let me tell you something. Every challenge you face is an opportunity. Every obstacle is a lesson. Every difficult moment is a stepping stone. If you choose to embrace the difficulty instead of avoiding it, you are already ahead of the rest. The world is full of people who wait for things to be easy, who wait for the perfect moment, who wait for someone else to make the first move. But greatness belongs to those who act, who persist, who do what is hard because they know the reward is worth it. Think about the entrepreneurs who started with nothing. Steve Jobs, who was fired from the very company he created, yet returned to change the world forever. Elon Musk, who risked everything, money, reputation, and comfort to create companies that are now revolutionizing technology and space travel. Their lives remind us that risk, effort, and persistence are the engines of success. And it's not just about wealth or fame. Success is personal. Success is about growth, courage, and impact. Success is about waking up each day determined to be better than yesterday. Success is about taking responsibility for your life, no matter what circumstances you were born into. Let's talk about fear. Fear is the greatest barrier to achievement. Fear tells you to quit. Fear tells you that you're not enough. Fear tells you that you should settle for comfort rather than greatness. But here's the secret. The bigger the fear, the greater the reward on the other side. Every person who achieved extraordinary things had fear, but they acted anyway. They felt the fear and they moved forward. Now, imagine your biggest goal, your wildest dream. What's stopping you? The work feels hard? The path feels unclear? You feel scared? Good. That's exactly where you need to be. That discomfort is the sign that you're on the right path. That struggle is preparing you for success that will last a lifetime. Success is built through discipline, consistency, and focus. Set clear goals, break them into steps, take action every day, learn constantly, surround yourself with people who lift you higher, and most importantly, never let self-doubt control your actions. Belief in yourself is the fuel that keeps you moving when the world tries to slow you down. Leadership and influence are part of the journey too. True leaders are not born, they are made through courage, resilience, and the willingness to serve others. Martin Luther King Jr. stood up for justice when it was dangerous. Rosa Parks refused to give up her seat, sparking a movement that changed a nation. Leadership is about impact, integrity, and action, not titles. You can lead in your community, in your family, or even in your workplace. Leadership begins when you act even when no one is watching. And remember, your success is not just for you. Success is meant to be shared. Use your skills, talents, and achievements to inspire and help others. Success becomes meaningful when it creates value for the world around you. So here's my challenge to you today. Do the things that are hard. Do the things that scare you. Do the things that feel impossible. Take risks. Work harder than you think you can. Push yourself beyond your limits. Because after the struggle comes relief. After the struggle comes confidence. After the struggle comes the proof that you are capable of greatness. The difficult path is the only path that leads to extraordinary results. It's uncomfortable. It's challenging. It will test you, but it will also transform you. And one day you will look back and realize the impossible was never impossible. It was waiting for you to rise and claim it. So take that step today. Start that project. Chase that dream. Make that call. Take that risk. The moment you confront what's difficult, you will discover your true potential, your resilience, and your power to achieve extraordinary things. Remember this, success is not about being the fastest or the smartest. It's about persistence, courage, and the willingness to do what others won't. The path may be hard, but the destination is worth every step. Rise, dream, act, and watch as your life transforms.